Hello and welcome you to my video lecture classes of production technology. I am your faculty Dipankar Ghosh. In my previous videos already we discussed about the chapter number 6, which is named as your jigs and fixtures, where we are discussed about our types of jigs. Let's continue from my previous video. Let us discuss about the jig, which is named as leap jig. It is also a sort of open type jig in which the top plate is arranged to swing about a fulcrum point so that it is completely clears the jigs for easy loading and unloading of the workpiece. The drill bushs are fitted into the plates, which is also as leap, latch or lead. Already we discussed about that in the previous class. So let us discuss about another jigs, which is named as your box jig. A box jig is shown in this slide. It is a box like construction within which the component is located in between buttons. The work is clamped by rotating the cam handle, which also locates it. Finally, the drill bush guides the tool. This type of jigs are generally employed to drill a number of holes on a component from different angles. Here we are having a bush type structure. Here this we are having lip like is there, clamp is there, so it is an up and down by using this cam. When the holes are to be drilled more than one plane of the workpiece, the jig has to be provided with equal number of bush plates. For positioning jigs on the machine table, feet have to be provided opposite each bush plate. On one side of the jig will be provided with a swinging leaf for a loading and unloading the workpiece. Such a jig would take the form of a box. Such a jig should be as light as possible, since it will be have lifted again and again. Typical figure of box jig is shown in this slide. So this is all about our types of jigs. So let us discuss about the types of fixtures. Actually, fixtures are usually named often the type of machining operation for which they are designed and employed. Some popular forms of fixtures are turning fixture, milling fixture, broaching fixture, grinding fixtures, boring fixture, induction fixture, tapping fixture, welding fixture, assembly fixture, etc. But according to the design and construction, there are three types. Number one, the first one, which is named as screw fixture. Number two, which is named as your flat fixture. And the last one, which is named as your wedge fixture. So let us discuss about a screw fixture. It is used to grip the work on its edges. This type of fixtures arrangement enables the top surface of the work to be machined without any difficulty. This type of fixtures are quite simple in construction, but some defects are there. These are: long time is required for clamping and unclamping purpose. Number two, the design of fixtures depend upon the component to be component to component. Last one, large effort is required to fix a work. Last one, let us discuss about another type of fixture, which is named as your flat fixture. The flat fixture support the work by the face which is pressed against the work, by tightening the nut. So let us discuss about the last fixture, which is named as your wedge fixture. The wedge fixtures looks as similar like a bench vise. Actually, it is employed to grip the work by the wedge block, which is made to slide by rotating the screw with the slide, by rotating the screw with the help of a handle provided. Just like in a bench vise, we are having a handle from where when we revolve that handle, then the help of the screw, the jaws are get moving. So wedge fixtures is also similar to a bench vise. The wedge block grip the work against the fixed button fitted on the other end of the fixture body. So already we discussed about the types of jigs and types of fixture. The actual motto of using these jigs and fixtures are to reduce the cost of production, as their use eliminate the laying out of work and setting up of tools. To increase this production, the assured it by using jigs and fixture, we assured high accuracy of the parts, to provide for interchangeability, to enable heavy and complex shape parts to be machine being held rigid to a machine, reducing quality control expenses. Number 6, increasing less skilled labor and saving of labors. So first of all, our the jigs, as per the definition, the jigs locates and holds the workpiece and also guide the cutting tool, but in the fixture it only holds and positions the work but does not guide the cutting tool. So this is the basic difference between jigs and fixture. So now we are coming to the end of this chapter number 6 as well as this total topic. So in my all these videos, 59 videos, already we covered the 6 chapters of production technology. So I am ending with this chapter number 6 as well as the whole syllabus as per the SCTVT of production technology for 3rd semester mechanical engineering. So thank you, and also I am providing my email ID, person number and phone number, so that if you are having found any confusion, then you can immediately contact me so that I will make you clear about the things. Thank you. Best of luck for the examination.